Hey everyone! Today we will unbox our Elfin Cobot. Let's get started. There are two packages that we have: Elfin Robotics arm and the control box. First, please check whether our packaging is intact, and then check the label on the side. Check whether the product model is the same as the product model we bought. As we can see, it's same as the product showed on the label. Next, make sure the matching SN of the robotic arm and the control box are the same. The two numbers are the same here, which means they are matching devices. Now, we can start opening the boxes. We will see the control box, the control box key, the teach pendant, and its support plate, the screws of support plate, the 6M6 screws, and the spare fuse in the control box package. In the robot box, we will see the Cobot, the connection cable, the controller power cable, the I/O cable, the USB flash drive instruction manual, the product certificate of inspection, and the packing list. That's all the materials we will receive. Follow us for more robots information.